Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn another interview question of any Java interview or automation testing interview, that is to print a star pattern, okay, in Java. So let's see, we can have different type of star pattern. So today I will show you couple of star pattern, okay, or numeric value pattern also, how we can achieve it, okay. So this is one star pattern, okay, this one, and by this code we can easily achieve this pattern or this pattern or this pattern. There are few modification only we need to do in any programming, okay, then we can achieve. So these four can come up in a single star pattern program, okay, with few modification. So first we can see in the first row 1 star, in the second row, and there are 2 star in the third row, 3 star, fourth row 4 star, and fifth row 5th star, okay. And column also, if you see here, only one column, here 2 column, here 3 column, here fourth column, here fifth column, okay. So this is, so first learn this one, this star pattern, how we can achieve it, okay. So first we are taking a for loop, okay, that is int I equal to 1, I less or equal to 5, and I plus plus. So I we are taking as a row value, okay. So row we are taking, that is 1, then I less or equal to 5 means the row value should be till, it will print till 5, okay. Then we under this for loop we are taking another for loop where we are taking another integer variable, that is j equal to 1 or j less or equal to I j plus plus. So here what we are doing, j is the column value, okay. So one condition, it will start from 1 means column 1, and j should be less or equal to I, okay. So means if I equal to 1, j equal to 1, and j is less or equal to 1 means only 1 will print, and then we'll increment the value. And then inside this we are printing this message, the star, okay, star, star pattern, star variable, okay. And then after this loop, suppose taking the first loop, okay, so first is I equal to 1, okay, inside that we are going, and j equal to 1, then j less or equal to I, right. So then system dot out print, and we are printing this star. So in the first row and first column only one star will be printing, because j value should be less or equal to I. So now it is come up, and we are printing another line, okay, it is coming to the next line now. System dot out print ln means the next line. Then again it will check here, right, I equal to, now what, I equal to 2, so j again j equal to 1, okay, means now we are taking in this condition I equal to 2 means here, and j equal to first 1, second row first column, this star will be printed, then j should be less or equal to I, so another 2, and now j is 1. So then j equal to 2, so next value will be printing, and here it will printed beside, because it is println, so say, print, not println, so in the same line it will be printed, okay, like that. So once 2 is achieved, then it will come out of this loop, okay, and then we are printing, we are taking the cursor in the next line, like this one here. Then again it will come, now the I value is 3, and again it will come here, so I value is now 3, and j equal to 1. So what will happen, so first it will print this star, okay, then again j will increase, so j now 2 and I equal to 3, so this condition matching, so again this will print this value, okay. Then again j will increment, now j value equal to 3, again this is matching, that is j less or equal to I, so this value will be printing, okay. Then j will increase, okay, j will now 4, and it is not matching, so that's why it won't execute it, it will come out of this, and it will come to the next line, okay. So like that it will increase. So let's run it, and let's see how it is behaving. So here we could see that star one, like that. Okay, like that. So sometime it may happen they can ask you, so give us space. Okay, like this. Give us space means I'm not I'm taking another example. Like this is we can achieve using this program, but they sometimes they ask this type of question. One of my student attend the interview recently, so there they asked this type of question. Print it same but with a space. Okay, so like that, same, right, same but with a space. So how we can achieve this? Only one line we need to add in that case. Okay, so then what we need to do? So we are printing a space. Now run it. Okay, so now it is printing with a space. Okay, so only adding one line we can achieve from this star pattern to second star pattern, right? This is done. Then I'm just commenting out this one. Okay, then another one is what? Another is 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So here if you see, first it is printing 1, then is 1 and 2, means the column 1, in column 1 1 and the column 2 is 2. So here we can see in the column third row 1 2 3, means the column value we are printing, right? Here if you see this programming, column value we are printing, like 1 in the first column value, all are 1, right? So column value we are printing. In the second row, all the column value we are printing, right? 2. Then in the third row, sorry, in the third, once it come to the third row, then again from third to the last, column value we are printing. Here 4 4 and 5 also, here column. So this is the column value we are printing. Okay, so here what is the column? Here the column is J. Okay, so let's run it and let's see. So here we need to print J. Okay, because J is the column, right, and I is the row value. So just run it. So whatever is there, that is achieved, right? 1 in the first column, then 2 in the second, then 3, then 4, then 5. And I hope this is understandable, because when I equal to 1, J will be 1 and this condition is matched, right? So only first row, only one value will be printed, and that is J equal to 1. Once I equal to 2, means in the second row, then again J will be 1 and 2. So that is happening, right? In the second row, J equal to 1 and 2. Then again, once I equal to 3, then J equal to 1, 2, 3. Thrice it will be printed, right? With a value incrementing for each loop. So J is incrementing, right? So then 1, 2, 3. Please understand the concept, guys. Then it will be very easy, okay, to write any programming language, means any star pattern programming, okay. So like that it is printing. So if you give a space, so sometimes they may ask, so you can print like this, okay. You may write the program like this also. So same with a space. Both are same, right, with a space only. Now coming to the third pattern. So here you see 1, then 2 2, then 3 3 3, then 4 4 4 4, and then 5 5 5 5, 5 times 5. So means what? Means first it is row, right? Row 1. So 1 we are printing. Second row, 2 times we are printing second row. 3. Thrice we are printing the third row. 4 times we are printing the fourth row. And 5th time we are printing the fifth row. Okay. So this is means we are printing the row numbers. Okay. So let's run it. So here instead of j we have to print I. Okay, first comment out. So here if you see 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4, 4, then triple 5. Okay, 5 times 5. Sorry, not triple, 5 times 5. And if you want to print it with space, that is also can be achieved. Okay, okay, that is also. So sometimes they may ask with some space. Okay. Huh. So please let me know if it is not clear, then I will explain it more. I think it is easy to understand, okay? Because I equal to 1, right? When I equal to 1, j equal to 1, we are printing I value, okay? So means I. Then when it is condition is matched, right? 1 less or equal to 1, I is 1, j is 1. So it will print only once and then it will come out from this loop, j loop, right? Then again I will be 2. And here again j will start from 1, right? So again j will start from 1 and 2. I is already 2 and j will be 1 and 2. So what will happen here? So j first will this value will be printing, and what here? Now the cursor is here. What it will print? It will print the I value. So I is now what? 2, right? So I is now 2. So 2 will be printing, then j is less or now j is 2. So less or equal to 2. I also 2. So twice. Now j is 3. So it won't print, right? Now it come out here and it is coming to this next line, means third line. Now again I will be 3. So now the line is 3. We didn't print anything, but cursor is on third row. Okay. Again it will come to the j equal to 1. Okay. So we will print I value. I is 3 and j is 1. So first row, third row, first column 3. Then again j equal to 2. So second column, third row. Row will be constant. Column is changing, right? J is increasing 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, like that. Whatever the value we are mentioning in the I. Okay. Now here we are mentioning 3. Then again j will increase. And j are printing the 3 value. Okay. So till it is achieved, the condition, it will print the I value in the same row, because print, not println, so it will not come out in the second line, right? In the same line it will print, same column it will print. Okay, done. Then it will be again coming to the fourth. So like that loop will continue. So I hope this is understandable, right? Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt regarding this, then I will explain it little more. Okay, let me know, or if it is clear then it is fine. Okay, now this is one star pattern. Another one is this one, right? This one. So this one is what? This one is also very common interview question. So first we are printing 1. First row 1. Second row 2 and 3. Third row 4, 5, 6. So one value is getting incremented, right? Every line. Then fourth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fifth, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So like that it will be printing. So how we can achieve it? Okay. So little bit changes is needed. So here we need another integer variable. Suppose take n equal to 1. We will print the n value now. Okay. N. So if we take n, how it will do that? Let's run it first. Let's understand this one. Okay, so all are 1, right? All are 1 because we are not incrementing the n value. Okay, we are just initializing n value as 1 and we are doing the row should be 1. It will start from 1 till 5 and j equal to 1, and it will depend on the condition of I value. like that. But suppose if I did like that, n plus plus, so what will happen after each printing this message, n will increment. Okay, so suppose I equal to 1, j equal to 1, here n also 1, so first value what, first value 1 will be printing, then n is increasing, now n is 2. Okay, now n is 2, it became 2, right? So now n is 2, first it is printing, then n is 2. Clear? Clear? Now again it will go I equal to 1, sorry, I equal to 2 now, and j equal to first 1. Okay, so second row first, so what value it will be storing now? Okay, okay, one second. So I hope it is understandable. Okay, so here, so now j I equal to 2 second row and j equal to 1 first column. So now the n equal to 2, right? So n will 2 will be printed, right? Now it will print, then it will print us, it will print a space because this value is there, then again n is incrementing. Okay, so now the n value will be what, 3, it will 3. Now again j equal to 1 already done. Okay, for I equal to 2, now j will be now 2, right? Because I is already 2, so 2 condition, so now 3, so here with a space 3 will be printing. Okay, 3 will be printing, then there is a space. Okay, and then again it will come here, so now the n value is 4, but here it is condition match, 2 2 it is match, right? J is also 2, I is also 2, so it will come out and it will come to the next line. Okay, it will come to the next line now. Now what, now again I equal to 1, so first column. Okay, j equal to 1. Okay, I equal to now 3, it is incremented, so third row, and j equal to 1, right? It will come under this j equal to 1, so third row first column. Okay, and then it will print n value, so means 4. Okay, we are there is a space, we are printing this space value. Okay, done. Then n will increase, now n will 5. Okay, then j equal to 2, and j will check till I equal to 3, so now 2, so here what will print, 5. Okay, so then again there is a space, so we are giving a space, then again n will increase, to what, 6. Done. Then again it will check, now j value is 3. Okay, and j less or equal to I is now 3, right? So now it will again print n value. N value now what? It is 6. Okay. And then again there will be a space, and then n will be plus. N now 7. Okay. But now 3 3 match. So it will come out of there, and now it will come to the next line. So here, so like that it will be printing now. Okay, now what it will be printing, 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So like that it will be printing. So this is the logic. So let's run it, let's see if it is working as expected or not. So if you see, it is working as expected, right? 1, then 1 2, then 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 10, then 11 12 13 14 15. Let's see what is our requirement. 1, then 1 2, then 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 10. Then in the fourth row, 11 12 13 14 15, then fifth 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, so this is another column. Okay, so like that we can achieve it. Okay, so this is actually in the programming, this is actually 6 rows. So if we give 6 rows, okay, so it will print another row. Okay, so here it is achieved. Okay, So like that, so you can print till 5 or 6. Okay, so whatever the requirement, accordingly you can print the number of rows, and accordingly it will be incrementing the values of n. Okay, like that. So that's all for today. Okay, regarding this star pattern, so the basic star pattern programming will be one, but if you modify a little bit, it will, we can achieve 4 5 star pattern or numeric pattern from this. And this is a very important Java interview question or any Selenium interview question, so please practice this. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I would request each and everybody, please subscribe it. Okay, I hope whatever the video I will upload, it will help you in future. So thank you all. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.